Today we are going to change my dad's oil in his car, and this is all the supplies you need. You have to change your oil so the car doesn't go exploding. We use these so your head doesn't get squashed under the car.
It's starting a storm.
Brennan is loosening the oil drain plug. Be quick like a ninja. Oh no.
I wasn't quick like a ninja, was I?
No. Not at all. That was actually pretty quick. Oh, it was all moldy. Ew.
No, it wasn't.
It was that brown stuff. Now let's get that oil filter off. And now we put the new oil filter on. Don't forget to put the drain plug back on. Last but not least, time to put the oil in. See you later, YouTube.